Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Programming with Pirai. In this video, we are going to see about Leetcode question number 2894, divisible and non-divisible sums difference. You are given positive integers n and n. We find two integers num1 and num2 as follows. Num1, the sum of all integers in the range 1, n that are not divisible by m. Num2, the sum of all integers in the range 1, n that are divisible by m. Return an integer num1 minus num2. Okay, so they are asked us to find divisible and non-divisible numbers in that range which are what? Divisible or not divisible by m, and we want to return what? Num1 minus num2, where num1 is what? Not divisible and num2 is what? Divisible. Fine. So let us take an example so that it is more clear. So see this example, n is equal to 10, m is equal to 3. So I wrote every 10 elements from 1 to 10. Okay. Now m is equal to 3. So what are the elements that are divisible by 3? So this is divisible by 3, and this is divisible by 3, and this is divisible by 3, right? Okay. Remaining all elements are not divisible by 3. Now sum the remaining elements minus the divisible elements. Okay. Let me see here. So see here, what are the sum of the non-divisible elements? It is 37. Okay. So what are the sum of all divisible elements? It is 18. Okay. Now, so 37 minus 18 is equal to 19. So 19 should be our answer. 19. Fine. Hope you understand. Now, see this example. It is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I want an element that is divisible by 1. So all elements are divisible by 1. So there is no element exists which is not divisible, right? So 0 minus 15, which is equal to minus 15. So minus 15 is our answer. Okay. Now see this example. It is 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we want a divisible of 6. Whether there is any divisible of 6? No. So the answer for this is 0 and 15 minus 0, which is equal to 15. Can you understand this? Okay. Now the simple approach is, just see here, I want to traverse from 1 to this n, like n, and inside it I want to check whether it is divisible. It is divisible. If it is divisible, I want to what? Do an increment in d. Okay. I want to do increment in that d. If I take this I, if I is divisible, I want to do this. Okay. If I want to do in what? Not divisible. Not divisible. At last, I want to return what? Not divisible minus divisible. This will be my return value. Okay. So this is my first approach. What is the time constant and space quantity for this approach? The first approach, it is O of n, and space quantity is O of 1. Okay. It is pretty optimized, but still, can we do this in optimal way? Yes, we can do this in an optimal way. Try by yourself. It is just like a formula, AP formula and n natural number formula. Try by yourself. If you don't know, just watch my video. I will tell you in a detailed manner. See here, if n is 10 and m is 3, take for example. Okay, I can randomly tell you that I want all this 10 elements sum and I want all this divisible sum. Okay, so it is easy to find the n natural numbers formula, right? Sum. Okay, so see here, what is the sum of all n natural numbers with n is equal to 10? So it is like 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10. Okay, so it is equal to 55, I think so. Yes, 55. Okay, how to find this 55 in a simpler step without generating all this? We have a formula in AP. In number manipulation itself, I told you in a detailed manner. I will give the link in the description. Go and watch that video. You will pretty sure you can get some idea how this formula is derived. Okay, so we have a sum of n natural number formula, which is n into n plus 1 divided by 2. This is the formula, right? So put just 10. So 10 into 10 plus 1 divided by 2, which is equal to 10 into 11 divided by 2, which is equal to 55. So this is how this 55 is derived. Okay. Now we have found this sum. Now my idea is that I want to take all the sum of this divisible value. What are they? 3, 6 and 9. If I took that sum, take for example, assume I have this sum. What is the sum? Sum is equal to what? 3 plus 6 plus 9, it is equal to 18. Just take for example, if I found this 18 and I already found this 55, right? Now 55 minus 2 into 18 is my answer, right? So what is the answer? 55 minus 36, which is equal to what? 19, right? So it is 19. So this is my output. Okay, you may ask why we are including this 2. Why we are including this 2? Because see here, in the sum itself, I have already this 3, 6, 9. But this should not be included, right? For that, I have to minus this 18 once, and also I have to minus this 18 for what? They have given in the question, right? What is that? Not divisible minus divisible. So that only I wrote what? 55 minus 2 into 18. Hope you understand. Just understand this. Okay. Now, our main goal is to find how to take the sum of 3, 6, 9. Okay. So to take this sum, we are going into what? AP concept, arithmetic progression. Okay. Let's derive. See here, how to take AP of some sum of numbers. Okay. Sum of AP is equal to, we have two formula. What are they? First formula is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is my first formula. Okay. What is second formula? My second formula is n by 2 into a plus l. That's it. So this is my second formula. So this first formula and second formula, like see here, a is the starting point. Okay. And l is the last value, and d is the difference, and n is what? N is the number of series elements. These are the known concepts for you, but still I am just telling you again. Okay, don't worry. It is a bit slow, but you can understand at the end. Okay, now just observe this carefully. If the n is 10, okay, how many elements are present inside this 10? I am pretty sure m is 3, so surely I will have exactly 3 elements. But how can we find that it have only 3 elements? Just see here, n divided by m, which is equal to 10 divided by 3, which is equal to 3 point something, right? So don't take that, only take 3. So I got how many elements present in it. Okay, and the elements start with 3, right? The elements start with 3. So the last element should be what? 3 into 3, which is equal to 9, right? Can you understand how I found this last element? First of all, I done what? N divided by m, such that I will get what is the how many elements present, and then I will do into the starting point. Starting point is 3, right? So it is like 1, and then here comes here. For that only I done what? Into 3. So it will be 9. So I got last point. I got n value, and I got a value. A value is 3, right? So can I apply in this formula? If I apply in this formula, see here, 3 by 2 into, what is the first value? It is 3. What is the last value? It is 9. So which is equal to 3 by 2 into 12 is equal to, here comes 6, and it is 18. We got 18. We already found this 55, and I told you why we are using this 2. Now we got this 18 also. So we got the answer. Can you understand? Okay, tell me the first step. First step is we are going to find n natural number sum of n natural number. So this is going to be first step. Okay, and what is my second step? My second step is going to be like I want to find what is the value of a, what is the value of l, and what is the value of n. Okay, you want to find value of a comma n comma l. To find it, I already told you how to find it. Okay. Now, what is the third step? We want to apply n, like the sum of n natural numbers minus 2 into sum of that ap of m. So this is my last step. This is what I want to return. Okay. Now by doing this, I can save my time, like it is a constant operation and there is no space involved in it. So this is the more optimized solution. Just think about it. It is constant time. We didn't done any of the looping. It is a constant time. Can I understand this? Okay. Now it's time to see the code. Just come up with me. This is simple. See here. This is the first code. Divisible, comma, not divisible is equal to 0. They both are initially 0 and I am traversing from 1 to that n. Now, if the current number is divisible by m, then I will add to the divisible. Else, I will add to the not divisible. So, first not divisible minus divisible will be returned. Okay. Let me submit it. Yes, it is submitted successfully. Now, it's time to see the second approach. See here. First of all, total is equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Sum of n natural numbers on n. Now, count is equal to n divided by n because we want how many elements are there. Okay. Now, a comma l is equal to m comma. So, m is assigned to a. That's the starting point, right? If 3 is m, then 3 should be the starting point and count into m should be my ending point. If count is 3, starting point is 3, 9 should be my ending point, right? So, that's why I have used this. Now, divisible is equal to count into a plus l divided by 2, AP formula. Okay. Now, return total minus 2 into divisible. Again, I am telling you, you must clear with my number manipulation playlist. There I have told you what is my AP and how we have derived this n natural number formula, right? So, I will give the link in the description. If you still don't know this problem or cannot understand this problem, go back and watch it, then resume this problem. Okay. Now, let me submit it. Yes, it is submitted successfully. Thank you.